With the first oil well being drilled in Sarawak since 1910, Malaysia has been a well-known oil and gas producing nation in the world. Holding 3.6 billion barrels of oil reserve as of 2016, Malaysia is ranked as the 28th oil producer in the world. Having said this, Malaysia has no shortage of oil and gas company, but only 3 are considered the blue chip stocks on Bursa Malaysia. Join us in this video to find out more. Hi, welcome back to Mr. Money TV, your favorite financial edutainment channel, bringing you financial education and entertainment at the same time. Well, who say that learning about money can't be fun? If you enjoy learning about money in a fun way, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get updated with our latest video. Also, if you're active on Facebook or Instagram, do follow us there for the latest updates. And if you like what you're watching, do us a favor by liking this video and leave us a comment, because that will really help us with the YouTube algorithm to reach more people with our content. As one of the largest oil producers in the world, Malaysia has 3 companies in the oil and gas industry that are considered the blue chip stocks listed on Bursa Malaysia. They are Petronas Dagangan Berhad, Petronas Gas Berhad, and Dialog Group Berhad. Before we go into introducing each of these companies, let's have a quick and short introduction into the oil and gas industry. The oil and gas industry is a lot more complex than we think, but to put it in short, we can divide the oil and gas industry into 3 segments. The upstream, which is involved in the exploration and production of crude oil or natural gas. The midstream, which is involved in the transportation and storage of crude oil and natural gas. And the downstream, which is involved in refining and processing of the crude oil into finished products and marketed, distributed to the end users. Petronas Dagangan Berhad is the leading retailer and marketer of downstream petroleum products. Under PDB, they have 4 main businesses. The retail business, which operates more than 1,000 Petronas petrol stations worldwide. The commercial business, which markets to the industrial sector such as manufacturing, aviation, power, oil and gas exploration, agriculture, fishery, construction, timber, marine fuel, and transportation. LPG business, which market and distribute cooking gas for household and industrial segment. Lubricant business, which market and distribute lubricants that cater for consumer and commercial customers via the 3 flagship brands Petronas Intium, Petronas Sprinta, and Petronas Urania. In 2019, they reported a revenue of 30.29 billion, showing a growth of 1.01% from the previous year. Their earning per share is reported to be 83.5 cents per share, showing a 2% decrease from the year before. As for dividend, they distributed 70 cents per share dividend in the year of 2019. And as of 12th of June 2020, PDB is listed on Bursa Malaysia with a market cap of 21.86 billion. The second oil and gas company listed as a blue chip company on Bursa Malaysia is Petronas Gas Berhad. Unlike Petronas Dagangan Berhad, who is only involved in downstream, Pet Gas Berhad is involved in upstream, midstream, and downstream business. Pet Gas Berhad is involved in oil exploration, processing, transportation, and refinery. The 4 business segments in Pet Gas Berhad are gas processing, which processes upstream natural gas from offshore into sales gas, ethane, propane, and butane. The second, gas transportation, which transports sales gas to shipper and customers through Peninsular Gas Utilization Pipeline Network and Pengerang Gas Pipelines. Utilities, which produce, market, and supply electricity, steam, industrial gases, and other utility products to various petrochemical businesses in third parties in Kerteh and Gebeng. Regasification, which receive capacity users imported liquefied natural gas (LNG). Store it in LNG regasification terminal in Sungai Udang floating storage unit and LNG regasification terminal in Pengerang storage tank, and convert the LNG to sales gas. Currently listed on Bursa Malaysia with a market cap of 33.87 billion. In 2019, they reported a revenue of 5.458 billion, a reduction of 0.72% from the previous year. Their earning per share in 2019 was 97.8 cents per share, recorded an increase of 6.92% from the previous year. They also distributed a dividend of 82 cents per share in 2019. Finally, the third oil and gas company listed on KLCI is Dialog Group Berhad, established in 1984. Dialog is currently a leading technical service provider in the oil and gas petrochemical industry. Dialog Group is a technical service provider that is involved in upstream, midstream, and downstream processes in the oil and gas industry. They have offices and facilities in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Philippines, China, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, and United Arab Emirates. From design and build to ownership and operation of tank terminals that are specialized in storage and handling of crude oil, chemical, petrochemical, and other petroleum products, Dialog is well known for especially their tank terminals business, which is the midstream segment of the oil and gas business. Their Kerteh terminal in Terengganu offers services such as product blending, drumming, tank truck cleaning and loading, heating and nitrogen blanketing system. Their storage facility consists of 42 petrochemical tanks with storage capacity of 400,000 cubic meter. Annually, the terminal handles a throughput of about 2.5 million tons. Tanjung Langsat Tank Terminals is strategically located near international shipping lanes and comprises of 3 terminal facilities: Langsat Terminal 1, 2 and 3, providing a combined storage capacity of more than 1 million cubic meter. The Pengerang Independent Terminal Sdn Berhad has 50 petroleum product tanks and 7 crude oil tanks with a storage capacity of 1.3 million cubic meter. In 2019, Dialog reported a revenue of 2.38 billion, a decrease of 23.28% of revenue from the year before. Their earning per share was 9.5 cents per share, showing a growth of 4.86% from the previous year. In 2019, Dialog distributed a 3.8 cents per share dividend to their shareholders. So, these are the 3 blue chip oil and gas companies that are listed on Bursa Malaysia and included in the KLCI index. Dagangan Berhad, Gas Berhad, Dialog Group Berhad. These 3 companies plays a big role in getting the fuel to your car. So next time when you go and pump petrol at the petrol station, remember these 3 companies. And more importantly, for those of you who are interested in investing in the oil and gas sector, these are the 3 companies that you must know and include in your watch list. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.